You think
No,
if you
this
speak
a patois. This a patois
me understand patois.
Okay. Then
Let
we're
me
gonna do
speak.
the patois then.
Yeah.
Then we talk patois.
Yeah, make we talk patois. And you think me no understand patois.
Well, what
and me
game
speak,
I play now?
and me I speak patois with you, Hoite.
Hoite? Patois, German, English. So our game we play now. Hi guys, welcome back. I forgot to turn on the camera again, hence this voiceover. But today we are on an adventure and we are off to Interlaken in the canton of Bern, I think, where we are going to be visiting the Beatus Cave. I'll tell you a little bit more about the Beatus Cave and the legend behind the cave later on in this video. So stick around and make sure you watch the entire video because you don't want to miss this adventurous journey. Talk to you guys later. Alright, so guys, I want to let you guys in on a little secret. So today I'm going with my Nigerian friend and her kids, and I'm gonna speak to them in Jamaican Patois for the whole time to just see if they realize or recognize that I'm speaking. If they understand. No, if you want, you can do it as well, but I'll be talking the whole or trying to talk the whole time in Jamaican Patois because when I speak to somebody who is not Jamaican, I automatically try to speak English so they can understand a little better. It doesn't always work, but that's the plan. All right, so our train is coming soon, so let's go. Come on.
It's gonna be.
We walk here. To meet Sylvia, and guys, remember we're going to speak. Well, I'm going to speak to them patois the whole time.
This is our train, right? No? Up? Over here?
Yeah, we just
Okay, that means by 12, one should be there.
Yeah.
I think
and then
we walk.
we can. I
Up to 1 hour, for 5 minutes, going and coming.
Let me look.
Yeah,
And then the other tour. Maybe. So in the cave we have no tour guides because of Corona, and I have a little pepper. Is it this one?
I think it's this one.
All right, our train is here. We just filmed something and there was the mic.
Then we realized there was no mic. Oh
my
no.
God. No, sir. No, me can't manage. Hey, we're going to do this over. Take 2.
Yeah.
So the plan is busted because I confessed to Sylvia that I wanted to prank her and speak Jamaican patois for the whole day. So now yeah, that's not gonna
If she
happen.
spoke, I understood.
Yeah, like I tried in the beginning and she understood and we just went along. But anyways, now I'm just gonna do it. When me I say something to her, me just I go say it in a Jamaican Patois and she go just try to figure it out or my phone a ring. And what call me? Yes, I'm just gonna be talking to Sylvia in normal Jamaican Patois and we're gonna manage, huh?
Yeah, we'll try.
Okay. And so kids, where are we going? Are you guys excited?
Yes.
Where are we going?
Beatushöhlen.
Beatushöhlen-Sundlauenen. Okay. Where are we going?
Interlaken.
Alright guys, so we'll see you. We're on the train, we're on the way. This looks not focused. We're on the train and we have one stop.
Yeah, after all 10, the next one, Thun. Then
Thun.
we get down at Thun, then we take the bus to the
We have to
caves.
take the bus.
I think it's the
Okay.
bus. Yeah.
Alright.
I think the bus takes us directly to the.
Alright guys, so we'll see you when we get there. Yeah, geez, I'm still speak English.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I understand you.
That was English.
Ah,
Maybe
really?
that was English just now. That's why I understand.
You think
No,
if you
this
speak
a patois.
Patois,
This a patois, me
me
talk now.
understand Patois.
Okay, then
Let
we're
me
gonna
speak.
do the patois then.
Yeah.
Then we talk patois.
Yeah, make we talk Patois.
Mhm.
And you think me no understand Patois.
Well, what
and me
game
speak,
I play now?
and me I speak Patois with you, Hoite.
Hoite? Patois, German, English. So our game we play now? What name of the game here? What name of the game here?
What?
What name of the game here, Catalina?
What?
What we play? What is?
Memory?
Okay.
Ah, look at you, I don't understand Patois. Do you understand that? My dear, you don't understand. You don't
I'm gonna
understand
school
Patois.
them today. May I go school them today? Everybody I go walk in a rain.
But he's not white enough. It's not
It's
extendable.
in a wide, yeah.
Yeah.
We don't have enough place.
Oh,
I'm worried.
everybody's with their book. Okay, you play game.
Yeah, she has one, but it's
Really?
not active.
That's cool.
What do you wanna say?
She's so
I
cool.
want
She's very
to
bold.
say that I love. I want to say that I love your YouTube channel. And it's great with cooking.
You're tired, huh? You wanna sleep? Pick
I'll
up your
never-
pulley.
I'm never tired.
Too much energy.
I'm never tired. Okay.
Bye.
Bye. Welcome to Thun. Where are we? Thun. I've never been here before. I've never been to Thun before. There's so many people outside. Me feel the language test.
We cross here.
No,
You know I like your YouTube channel.
You like it?
Yeah, because it's unique. It's not like people just come and talk and
Yeah, I'm recording. What did you say? You like my YouTube channel?
The adventures, there are some things that you bring out, some content that, you know, it's that someone don't know, and you just go there and you find them there. And,
Yeah. Oh,
that's
thank
the main
you.
reason why I'm so happy to do this
Is
today
it
with
here?
you.
Yeah.
So where's our bus? Interlaken, that's not our bus.
You know there.
That's not our bus. The one behind it is our bus.
The one behind.
Come and make a picture. Make us picture. Let's make picture. Hold on, make picture. Natalia Vate. Hello.
Hi.
No, but don't bus. Let's go.
Come. Up. Okay. Where's David?
Where's everybody? Oh, sorry.
And David?
David,
Where's David?
I don't
He
know.
went in the wrong bus. Ah.
okay. Again.
Okay.
Okay,
Where
hold
do
on.
we sit? The kids sit here.
we sit here.
We can sit.
No, I don't want to face you.
Yeah. Yeah. We can sit here. So,
Yeah.
let's look at Elia. David, Albert, David, all is good.
I tell you.
Okay. Yeah.
What else?
Touch the sky. I think about it every night and day.
The kids are singing again. Ooh, that's nice. I don't think I got it. That's a nice one.
Oh, this small one, you're not small.
Yeah, that's how I tell you. She should be inside.
You're right.
People should carry it well, full stuff now, gonna be rising. These are people to be looking at what's so beautiful like
I
this.
feel like I'm gonna fall. Wow.
You are not.
I saw it.
So beautiful. Hey, I'm going to do a competition. How many times have we said beautiful in the one video?
Sometimes I wish I can fly with the drone to just stay on top of the drone and the drone
see what you can.
Ah.
My drone doesn't go far though. That's the shade. Come.
Where's your bag? Where's your bag?
Natalia, where's your bag?
Stand up, you have to stand. Stand.
Wait.
Oh, you drop the bag first. Okay, now.
Thank you. Go, go, go. We're here. After how many hours?
I got what you
So quiet.
You get what you need.
Are you happy? Oh my God!
Gördün mü?
Wow, this is so beautiful! Whoa, what's this now? We have to go walk up here. Is this the entrance of the cave? Oda? Yeah, that's the cave. Yeah, that's probably the entrance. We have to go up. Okay. Hi guys, so as promised, I'm gonna share the legend of the Beatus Cave with you guys. So here we're starting the climb up towards the cave, and as the legend goes, St Beatus was a monk living around 100 AD. So it is said that he chose this cave to spend his pious hermitage. I guess that's something monks do. To his annoyance, however, he discovered someone was already living there, a horrible dragon, who shot lasers of fire from his blazing eyes. St. Beatus, however, would not be run out of his cave so easily, and held his cross up to his chest, invoking the Holy Trinity. The dragon was thrown into an hysteric fit, and he ran down the cliff and threw himself into the lake Thun, the one that you're seeing in this video clip right now. The heat from the dragon caused the placid clear water to rise and boil. And that was the end of the dragon. And it is said that St. Beatus lived here in this cave until he died. It is a legend. Take it with a grain of salt. If you would like to learn more about the Beatus Caves, I will leave a link in the description box. You can go there and read more about it. Everybody, guys, you can't see, but it's steep. We started strong, huh? Okay. We're getting closer to that. That's a queue. Sylvia, do you have the... Sylvia, do you have the receipt? The receipt? Yeah, I think we need it. So that's the coin area. I think that's where you put the coin. Huh?
You can download the app. I think here is to come out back.
No, here's to put your coins and go in.
No, not go up.
Gabriella, come.
I want to download the app. You are scared already. We've not even started.
Yeah. He looks so real. Oh, go, there's a big group coming. Go, 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 go.
They're coming walk.
8 to 10 degrees Celsius. Alright, go, sorry, Herbert. So we're entering the cave. Well, we have entered the cave. Whoa, the water is so heavy.